chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened when you... Alright, Rich's boat's coming out of the water today, believe. So it's a bit windy. I can get down there and help him. Which side are you going in? Alright, I've got to get over the barrier. Grab a line. Breezy for this today. He's taking the props off the boat. Do it one-handed with a video camera. This way, mate. That's it. All right. What with a camera in my hand? That way. All right.
I've got a stern. Yeah. We'll tie that one off with a bend.
All right. Yeah, mate.
Yeah.
All right. So she's coming out, so we're going to take the props off and then send them off to be remachined. So just walking her along. Here she is, believe. So Princess 435, which you've probably seen in some of our earlier videos. Alright, so going to be lifted out. It's going to stay in a hoist for about an hour or so, and Rich is going to whip the props off, and then it'll be put back in the water and then tow it back to a berth. And
It's got the wind as we're coming in, took a few manoeuvres.
Yeah, it's a bit windy today.
Captain Kelly took over.
Captain Kelly, he's right there. Alright, I'll line it up. This can only be lifted up in certain places. Alright, brother? Always stressful, isn't it? Yeah, got a bit of a nick out of that one. How long has it been, Rich? About a year since it's been out? It's over a year. Yeah, that's probably smashed on it. Alright, it's all washed off. So they're going to have a look at the props and whether they can take them off or not. Or just bite the bud out on that one. It's a bit dented. It dripped on. Yeah, that has definitely seen better days. A few nicks. Yeah. And that one. couple of little nicks out of that one. Alright. Right, I'm going to leave him to it. So I've got to go and do some work with it. It's a Friday, so this is the day job. So then windows, doors and conservatories. So based in Bristol, if you want any windows and doors doing, check us out. Right, I'll leave you guys to it and I'll come back and catch them up later. Just got back in time to see Believe crossing the road. Here it comes. It's Richard's boat, a Princess 435. So I'll link the video below. We've seen it by now. He put it out, took the props off it, and now she's here to have the props put back on and anti-fouling. Alright. Propless. That's a lot of weight. So I wasn't able to get back and record anymore, but the prop on the left is all bent over and damaged. The prop on the right, it's not a new one, it's the exact same prop that's been remachined. Looks absolutely amazing what they can do, fair play. So yeah, didn't get to record any, but that's what they look like before and after. Alright guys, so sad day, the sail fell through on Cavaletta again. Bloody hell, what we're going to do is bloody boat, hey Bert? Never mind, on a positive note, we're going boating. Ooh, a life jacket, he's got hers on. Rich has got his new props on the boat, so we're just going to take it out for a little blast. It's cold, but that'd be nice, beautiful day. So I'm just going to walk around and get on Rich's boat, Believe, Princess 435, and go do some boating. And get over the news of the sail falling through for the umpteenth time. Good damn it. Alright, boating.
So here we are, a winter boating day. Look how lovely it is in Portishead. So this is a plus for today, you know. Had a negative, now this is a plus going out in it. So there's Benjamin there.
Do the steps come out easy, Rich?
Jack
No,
there.
do you want to come up here and take over in a minute?
And Rich. We're off to the fuel pontoon first, fill up with fuel, and then going out at the lock gates. It's been a while, so let's see how this goes.
Golden balls.
Golden rule.
Oh, golden
What's
balls.
the golden rule?
My balls are frozen. There's no golden about them.
Blue.
Yeah. What was golden about that? The golden rule?
Golden rule. Whoever's the helm in control is captain. You listen to what they are saying, no matter what.
So he's just told me to go and put the bow line on the starboard side.
Yeah. So I'm bringing the bow in a bit. Breeze there. It's taking the ass end away it was.
You both did alright.
No, get it off me.
Oh, we have a new recruit down there, Mark. We'll take it out if you don't want it to be filmed, alright? Oh, sorry, I ain't got that on there. I say what? What do you say? Oh dear, you've got to laugh. Here he is. Where'd you get to, Tom?
Jump on there, Tom. Jump on. Alright. So what's going on there? What's the plan? You're going to keep it slit there, yeah?
Chaos has erupted.
Too many captains on board.
Me and Jack are alright now.
Right, you are.
He's on.
Alright.
Beautifully done.
Like a glove.
Yeah. There we are, the lock gates are opening. Mark and Ben on the ropes.
Let's split that one. Yeah. I'm going to start the engines. Ready?
Hold on. Ben's doing the fenders for once.
Straight to the open gear. Sarah? Pull to one side, but better.
Yeah, it might just be like a lot of sets like the front.
Well,
A bit more tension in the cable on the one side, like.
Yeah, I think before it's top.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's quite a lot on one side. Are we pulling the fenders in?
You know, watching Ben do it.
Sorry. Yeah, well, he's down there, isn't he? But I can go get some if you want. Do you want to do them, Ben, or?
Oh, he's got the line, let's see this, brother.
Yeah, we're filming you doing this, mind.
I know it's not your normal,
Shows you can do it though.
Yeah, you've got to be seen to be doing it.
Come on, Ben, for God's sake.
yeah, come on. What have we got, the tie? That one you can't get. Very back one. Can't get the very back one. Those can, yeah.
But don't fall, Ben. Is that a rope just fell down? What's that bit of rope that fell down there? I see a bit of rope on the edge. Is it alright? Alright, okay. Oh, Mark's having a go now. Mark's driving.
One. Right, you are 2,500. Yeah.
Pick it up. Hello.
Yeah. Let's go into the Hello.
You're not going anywhere.
Nice little pool out to check the props and that. Like he's in there on his own or something, or is a guy manoeuvring? He's just sat in the middle. Yeah, I suppose so, yeah. Can we go up front? Can we get over there by then? Balancing. Yeah. Tom. Right in the way.
Yeah, nice drive there. Over.
Safely back in the lock.